oaks whisper. Nika walked through a quiet forest. He saw a small sapling pushing through fallen leaves. It reached toward the sun's light. An ancient oak stood nearby, its branches wide. He asked the oak, "Where does the small tree learn its path?" The oak's leaves whispered, "From the deep soil that cradles its roots, from the constant sun that guides its climb." Nika placed his palm against the rough bark of the old tree. He felt the silent strength flowing through it. His lantern glowed with a deep, steady light. The earth is the first home and teacher,